Starting a new love relationship can be both exciting and nerve-wracking.
If you want to ask out your crush, here are some tips to help you.
1. Build a connection. Before asking someone out, it's helpful to establish a connection and get to know them better.
Engage in conversations, find common interests, and spend time together to build a foundation.
2. Choose the right moment. Timing is important when asking someone out.
Look for a moment when you're both relaxed and have some privacy.
It could be after a fun conversation or during a casual hangout.
3. Be confident. Confidence is attractive, so approach your crush with self-assurance.
Be yourself and remember that rejection is a possibility, but it doesn't define your worth.
4. Be direct. When asking someone out, clarity is key.
Express your feelings honestly and directly.
Instead of beating around the bush, say something like, "I really enjoy spending time with you, and I was wondering if you'd like to go on a date with me."
5. Choose an activity. Plan a date that aligns with both your interests.
It could be something simple like grabbing coffee, going for a walk, or watching a movie.
Choose an activity that allows for conversation and connection.
6. Be flexible. Your crush may have other commitments or preferences.
If they decline your initial suggestion, be open to alternative ideas.
Flexibility shows that you're considerate and willing to accommodate their schedule or preferences.
7. Respect their response. Regardless of their answer, respect their decision.
If they say yes, great.
If they say no, it's important to handle it gracefully.
Don't pressure or guilt them into changing their mind.
Accept their response with understanding and respect.
8. Keep communication open. If your crush agrees to go on a date, exchange contact information and keep the lines of communication open.
Follow up with a text or call to confirm the details and stay in touch leading up to the date.
Remember, starting a new relationship requires effort and patience.
Even if your crush doesn't reciprocate your feelings, it's important to value their friendship and maintain a respectful relationship. Good luck!